COVID-19 second wave is everywhere. Yeah. Unless we are deceiving ourselves. If care is not taken, Nigeria are not exercising in NIMSI. Yeah. We said enough is Naira. Yeah. We are tired. Yes. Why? Because we have over-exercised patience with them. Yes. They ask us to relax, all shall be well. In 2020, relax, all shall be well. In 2021, they want to start again, relax. With this COVID-19, you see what you are seeing here in HQ is all over in the contract COVID-19. Yes. As we speak now, 3 people are on self-isolation. Themselves. Yes. Enough is enough. Yes. That is. What will keep me alive? No. Do you know what we are planning here now? In case of COVID-19, God forbid. God forbid. God forbid. We will not go back again. Yeah. Until they do what we ask them to do. Yeah.
That is why we are outside.
There are people working there even right now.
Yes, what we had that Mr. Mamza, the essay to the DG, somebody just coming from Gobe State now, that Mamza has started calling people. They are threatening people that if you don't go to work, you will be fired. This is not one man business for Ghana.
It is not their father's company.
This is not, it is not my father's organization. It is federal government organization. Mamza is not doing anything, but he's living big on our sweat.
Yes.
People, he should leave my people alone.
Yeah.
Those people, for the state, as we speak, I will call them saboteurs.
Yes.
But they are doing it because of fear.
Yes.
But I stand here to tell.
Okay, so now the since now they get
don't stay. We don't stay. I think it didn't start today now. This thing has been going on since 2013, so maybe today this thing starts. So we have been having series of meetings. So far, nothing to write home about. So that's what we are doing all of this now.
Okay, so what kind of allowance? Which kind of allowance where
allowance now? Every government worker knows say allowance they follow now. Now they see health allowance, health hazard allowance day, and then all the stress, you know, there are many. But that way. Better package, you understand?
Welfare packages.
So when you put them under
people working under intense stress, under intense heat, no hazard allowances, AC, ambience for everything for. It's really bad. People are really suffering.
So how long will I go down to? How long will I go there?
For as long as it takes management to answer us, and for as long as it takes management to listen to our plight and to know that people doing these things, people working here are humans. They are not machines. We are humans. We have families, and we have families. If we die today, nobody will cater for our interests. So we need to look out for ourselves. So until they are ready to listen to us, I think it's only proper that we down tools.
Okay, thank you very much. As I explained, give us like this. So basically, and I waiting to happen for NIMC office for the Nigerian capital Abuja. This many applicants were come here since morning and never fit do what the guys do. Many of them never fit apply. So many of them still hang out here, hoping say maybe if the whole thing die down small, they go fit apply. Oga, you come here, come apply, come do the application too, come do enrollment too.
Yes.
So now where workers they go strike, they do and no go green like this. It they affect what you know they do for here.
Seriously.
Yeah. So how long you don't stay here?
Well, I've been here for almost 3 days now. I cannot get inside, so I don't really know what to do again, because at least let the government extend the date of this issue.
Okay, thank you very much for talking with us. So now waiting day here, but if you look around, you go to see people hang for every corner for this area, and there's many of them.
Fifth day I'm coming here. The 5th day I'm coming here. Yesterday we were here, as we were about to enter, they told us that we should go. They used fight and scatter the whole thing. Today now we came early. They gave us number. We sat on the chair, only for us to find out that they're not opening anything, they're not working. We came outside and had Solidarity Forever, that they're paying them. Federal government to say one thing and do another thing. They're treating human beings like goats. If truly there is COVID-19, is this how all of us are going to survive? Everybody for don't die now. Because I work in healthcare, I may not, so I know what's happening. But if truly that second wave enter like this same place, all of us go die, and they don't really care about us. That's the annoying part.
Okay, thank you very much. So now wait till they hear people they talk, people they para. You see say down the street, plenty people they road, people where never fit go inside, go do their enrollment, they still full road. Everywhere here they and people just sit down. For people who come with their family, children since morning, don't get number, then sit down, they wait, hoping say then go attend to them. But with this strike now, many of them still sit down. Madam, how una they do this thing? What thing they happen? How long you don't stay here today?
Since 6 o'clock.
Okay, so what thing they talk? Why they not they attend to now?
They say they not pay them.
They say they not pay them. That's why they not attend to now.
Yeah.
So why not still day here now?
Because we won't see the end of their strike.
Okay. Yeah. So basically, all the roads leading to NIMC, Nigerian capital here for Abuja, are still they rowdy. Men, women, old, young, with their children, even come here to see how they go fit get the NIN. But as it be like this, with the strike where they go on, you know, sure whether they go fit do what the gas come here, got do today. Una well done, no. So how long una don't day here today? Or una be staff? Okay, now be staff. So people they complain, say this one when I do like this, it means say they're not go meet up with the deadline. The management don't they engage you now concerning una demand?
Not yet. We are waiting for them. We are waiting for them to come and engage us before we will come say we want to go inside go the work. Not until they address us. That we hear what they go talk.
So una don't tell, una don't write give them, una don't make this.
We don't write so many times. We don't intermit with time. So we don't tire to wait for them because they don't tell us say more get up, sit down, do. Up to now, they're not doing anything.
The president has attended to our new salary.
We want them to be working like this. In the midst of COVID-19, our staff are contracting, they are testing positive to coronavirus because of this issue. On top of 40,000 naira, is it fair? It's not fair.
So if the management no engage you now, how long gonna go there for this strike?
For as long as they are ready to attend to us.
So this is our opportunity to really make it.
It's life and death now. Our families are waiting for us. Everybody is waiting for us. So this is our time to also make this thing.
Okay, so now what they happen here be this staff, people, applicants who want enroll, all of them full road, they clear, waiting they happen. Because they also say they know they do social distancing, crowd they full, and many of them they fear say if COVID-19 second wave day like this, then many of them people go plenty die because of the way then they wear social distancing, the people know they wear masks for here. So later on we'll go inside to bring una waiting the authority, the management gas talk. But na NIMSI office here for the Nigerian capital be this. We know say now for December 9, the Minister of Communication been come out announcement say make all Nigerians make sure say they link their NIN with their telephone number. Since then different policy don't come where government self don't reverse some like those where their old number been lost, they say they'll get them now. So also by based on first come first serve, and so many of them here don't get numbers online hoping say then go get their turn. But when they come here this morning they discover say they no fit enter work, no they go like before. But we hear say some few persons their management don't allow them to work inside, and so people don't dey inside. But we all know say this policy of government as a result of the security situation for country, and they say because Jaguda boys them they use telephone, they call people, they collect ransom, and they use telephone, they do bad thing. Government won't link NIM so they will identify people Jaguda boys them where they do bad thing. So now the NIM office be this, we see say their gates they not they open yet. The small opening there where people they go in and come out, and I go take when I go inside. I mean I see waiting they happen to see say some work don't start, even though others they protest outside, so that we go know waiting they happen for inside. Bros, now well done. Work no day. So all those people where they
why they go can't help us? But they don't say no work.
Okay, so all those people where they inside now waiting go happen to them.
There's no work, no anything they happen on, no work. They no address anything at all.
Okay, so all of them don't here. So how long you don't to come do your NIM?
We come here around 6 o'clock in the morning. Up to now, they know nothing.
So and you still sit down? Okay, so these are the many challenges where many Nigerians they face on top of this NIN. Then they beg government, say make government extend the time so that you will enable them to do the NIN, so that they will link their telephone number to NIN. Last time we've been talked to the NIN official here, they say they don't give network providers license to even they do this NIN, but many of the network providers that we'll talk to later say they never start anything, they never get any formal writing from NIN or from government to do the NIN enrollment for their offices. So now see now the NIN office be this, and this is now the national headquarters for the NIN. You see people they wait. Many of them here say they don't come here since morning. Don't the early moment to see say how they go feel enroll, but as it be now, work no day. Many of them just sit down here, they stand down here without anything. They wait. They hope say government go make sure NIMC management go open up their doors and start work. As you see now, this now another phase of where the people dey. People just stand out here, no social distancing as they see. Many people don't even wear masks. Those who wear masks even hang on for their neck. So we know say nothing they happen for here. So they staff say they're down to because of their wages, and also because say government no give them enough PPE to use do work. They say then they fear to come work because they don't want to contract COVID-19, so that they go affect their own families too, and that the money where government they pay them, the management they pay them, the NIN they pay them, no be anything compared to the work where they do. And they say now this opportunity then get to demand for their rights. So then they demand for two things. The workers they demand for living wages, and then they demand say make government give them protective gear where they go use do their work. as they say about 3 of their staff for here now don't even get COVID-19. So the way people they full for here with no social distancing, with no face masks for many of them, fear they say COVID-19 feels spread for places like this, and this is now why the workers say they no go do work for here. So now what did they happen for the NIMC office for the Nigerian capital, Abuja, where
this government no favor for at all.
No, they help poor man at all.
We are suffering. 6 o'clock I'm here. No nationality. Please tell the Nigerian government, please come out of this suffering.
Okay, so as when they talk like this, government they hear now, and we don't tell them saying I don't get here since morning.
Government, they are not listen to us. 6 o'clock I'm here. Since December I'm coming here. I'm not seeing this nationality card. What's the benefit? If they're not ready to give us, you don't need to call us now come collect nationality card. So please tell the federal government, make you know what he's doing. We had one vote for him to enter that place. He's supposed to do the right thing for us.
But here since December. When I was there since December, I came. December come on January 4th. I came January 4th. That is Monday. I came on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today is Thursday. It's 4th day. I came here. 5 times I came here. The support is too much. I beg, make it possible. We don't know how good now. We don't know whether it would run today. We don't know today. We don't suffer. No be small. They use our money every day. Yes, you know, go up 5 days. You know, good like that. That is it.
Okay, so now waiting, people here they complain that many of them say they don't try to come here several times, but yet they never feel still do their NIN. So now waiting they happen with this. If you watch, if you just they watch us, this now the BBC News Pidgin, and we they bring now waiting they happen for NIMC office here from the Nigerian capital. So people full ground, but nobody to attend to them. They won't get their NIN, but they don't know how to get. And government don't put 19. For those who get NIN to link their NIN with their phone numbers, and those who don't get to the 9th of February. But as it be now with the situation where they go, they clear whether government will meet this deadline. And many here say, then they wonder whether then they fear make their phone lines, make government, make the network provider no block.
No block our.
I'm here since yesterday and today. Up to now, I can't be.
I've been here since last year. So see, would they beg government make they do the right thing for us? As soon as they see, now we poor people now they suffer now. If not big men now, they know they suffer this thing. I bet they do the right thing for us so that one day again.
The problem when they know they pay them well, and they don't pay them hazard allowance, and that they don't even get nose mask and PPE to use to attend to now, and then they fear COVID-19. So now waiting make when staff know they here with this. So waiting now talk about that.
They fear COVID-19, they fear the congregation. Now they carry elderly people put for soul since yesterday. Since morning, sir. That was seem very important. Let them know.
If they not register their SIM and they not meet the deadline, means say they go block their SIM. And many people they fear say they don't want to make government or make the network providers block their SIM. So now the situation for the capital be this, and as you they see this now BBC News Pidgin, and we they give now all the story where they happen for here. So now waiting they happen for here be this. So young, old people they here since morning, and their concern be say
before we left the house, we are here since 5 a.m. Where are my children, we came here since 5 a.m. and not till now. All the staff, they run away from the office. Then, as you can see, all the offices are locked. None of them are here to attend to us.
Okay, so the management said they're going to engage with the workers, that's in their staff, to see how they're going to resume work. But I declare, say the staff don't make up their mind, say they don't fit come back work because they don't get protective equipment to use to do this job. And plus say their management know they pay them well. Many of them say degree holder for here, they collect 40,000. Meanwhile, they expose them to risk of COVID-19. So now waiting they happen for the NIMC office here from the Nigerian capital. If you just join us, this is the BBC News Pidgin, and we're here to bring now all the story of waiting they happen for grant for NIMC.
Have you confirmed from the office, so for us to even know, as we have been here since 6 o'clock, so if it doesn't have if it doesn't have faith that they are working today, so we can go?
Okay, from waiting I learned from the management, from the labor union, that's in the people who be labor for here, then say as they not pay them well, and plus say they not get protective equipment, they no feel work. Then say some members of their staff don't contract COVID-19. And those people, they treat themselves without the management to help them, and so they don't feel risk their life. Then see this, say this is not the opportunity for them to do this thing now, because if they don't do it now, since where government needs this thing, they don't go attend to them. So if it be say many of them go just sit down here and nothing will happen. But meanwhile, we will still talk to the management to hear their own part of the story, to know whether they go develop another means to carry help on. So now waiting they happen be this. If you just join us, this is the BBC News Pidgin, and we bring on all the story where they happen from NIMC office for the Nigerian capital, Abuja.
Now, you do not make it like nothing was paid. You do not attack it.
It's not a scam country. Why didn't they use the voter?
Someone does it for every day. Come on for every day.